Good morning, students. So today we are going to continue with our chapter 1, history, when, where and how. Till now we have studied about the division of history in three parts, and that how dates and events are arranged in history. Okay. Then we studied about the division of time by James Mill, who divided history into three parts as Hindu, Muslim and British period, okay, according to the ruling dynasties. Then we know that sources of modern Indian history, okay. Now previously we used to divide them in archaeological and literary sources. So now we have lot of information and textual information, okay, actually the literary sources about modern Indian history. So now we can also categorize sources in primary sources and secondary sources. Okay, what are primary sources? Primary sources mean first hand information and records of the event. First hand information means when event was happening at that time, what proofs we have or the records we have maintained, it they are called the primary sources. Secondary sources, accounts collected by someone and used by someone else. So here you can see the primary sources are the artifacts, coins, letters, photographs, okay, taken at the time of the event was taking place. Secondary sources means oral, you can say oral things, okay, the events told by anyone else that has happened in that time, okay, such type of things. Then autobiographies, okay, written autobiographies are the records written by one's on his own life. Biographies also there, okay. Then very important are the government records. Okay, government used to record. British government, actually this tradition was started by the Mughal Empire, है ना? But it was continued by the British government also. They used to maintain all the records of their day-to-day official works. Survey was done by British. Mapping was done that what type of land form is in what location is present, okay. Then they also started conducting census. What is census? The counting of people, that how many people are living in a particular area, okay. They are dividing them according to the age groups, according to gender, that how many men are there, how many women are there, okay. So it is called census. After independence, we followed the same census, and after every 10 years, the census are done. Last, the census were done in 2011. Now, it can be done in 2021 in this year, or if late, it can be done in next year. Okay. Now, there are various records. It includes also indigenous records. What are indigenous records? The literary records or the any literary item written by our countrymen. Okay. For example, you can say biographical accounts, vernacular newspaper, letters of nationalist leaders, films, etc. Okay, these all forms the indigenous records. A play was also written by Deen Bandhu Mitra. It was named Neel Darpan. Neel Darpan. So from the name itself, it is clear that it was about the indigo farming, है ना? The difficulties, problem faced by the indigo growers or indigo farmers. There was also a memoir, a book by William L. Shearer known as Gandhi, a memoir. Then there are several other books written by our own countrymen. Newspapers. So in first newspaper of India was the Bengal Gazette. Okay, it was written, published by James Augustus Hickey. Here you can see a photograph of this Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Okay. Now newspapers and magazines were also published in other Indian languages also. This is a part of the Times of India. Okay, it started publishing in 1838. Films were also started appearing on the scene during this period. Okay, the first Indian film depicting the condition of the women, especially the scheduled caste women, was made in 1936. Its name was Achut Kanya. Monuments and buildings. There are several monuments and buildings made by the British which so students, here we have our chapter, and let's have a quick recap of the chapter, that what we have learnt in this chapter till now. So history examines continuity and dynamics of change over time. So history means the examination of time, change in dynamics or social structure or the ideas, okay, whatever is there. So it is the change of society over a period of time. Dates in history help us to identify events that have happened in the past. History of India is broadly categorized into three sections, that is ancient, medieval and modern. A modern age in India is taken to begin from the 18th century, and we have abundant sources of information for the modern period of Indian history, which we have discussed in this chapter. So now let's see this bookwork exercises. First exercise is fill in the blanks. So the historians had divided history broadly into dash periods. Now Rakshit, I will ask you to answer and then you will answer. Yes, Rakshit, what will come here? The historians have divided history broadly into dash periods. So in how many periods the historians have divided the history?
Sir,
Yes.
2.
No. Anyone else? Pratna?
Sir, 3.
So may I?
Yes.
3 parts.
Yes, three parts. Okay. So let's write down here 3. So here we can write 3. The British administrators conducted wherever they went. What they have conducted? What the British administrators have? Ashna will answer it. Yes, Ashna.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Uh, let me see. Daksh. Yes, Daksh.
Sir, seasons.
No, it's not census, it's surveys. Okay, they have conducted surveys. Wherever they have gone, they have conducted surveys, that what type of landforms are there, what type of people are there. Okay. Now the first English newspaper in India was dash, published by dash. So what was the name of the first English newspaper of India? Can anyone name it? Anish, can you name it?
Sir, 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 Calcutta General Advertiser. Hickey Bengal Gazette.
Yes, Bengal Gazette. Now, published by dash. Who have published it? Who have published the Bengal Desert Gazette?
Sir, James Augustus. James
Augustus.
Augustus
Sir,
Hickey.
James August Hickey.
Yes, yes. So it was James Augustus Hickey. That's why it is also called as the Hickey's Bengal Gazette. The play Dash was written by Dinabandhu Mitra.
Neil Darpan.
Yes, it was
Sir, Neil Darpan.
Neil Darpan. Dash was a Hindu film which throws light on the prevalent social conditions of the time. जो 1936 में बनी थी, the movie which was made in 1936.
Sir, Akhot Kanya.
अछूत कन्या, okay, ACHWT अछूत कन्या, okay, this was the name of the film. So now we are going to have this one. Match the following. William Shearer. What he had written? So he has written the Gandhi a memoir. Okay. So we are going to write here B. So match it with B. Second, secondary sources. What?
Sir,
Yes, yes.
Surveys of India.
No, no,
Surveys of India.
no.
Sir, Survey of India.
They are paintings
Sir,
and
painting and biographies.
Yes. They are paintings and biographies. So D. D will come here. Next is Hind Swaraj. It was a book written by Dash. Who wrote the book Hind Swaraj? No one knows it. It's E. Mahatma Gandhi. It was written by Mahatma Gandhi. Who was Prem Chand? So he was a very famous Hindi novelist. So it was written by novelist was Munshi Premchand. Okay, we also call him Munshi Premchand.
Good morning, sir.
So Munshi Premchand wrote the novels. So Dehradun, what will come here? Dehradun means Survey of India. So surveys of India headquarters were there, that Dehradun. Okay.